Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So the other day I was in House of Suppliez.com, the website. They also have some like subscriptions. They have a nail art subscription and they all went up. I think they're $14.99 now or something like that. I believe that's what I saw. They also have the bling one. They have the tools, and they have like an acrylic one and some other ones like gel polish and stuff. But I was just browsing through their stuff and they have like nail art boxes that you can purchase, like nail art mystery boxes or bags, and I decided to purchase one. I actually purchased another one. This one cost me $14.99 plus taxes and everything. It was like $19. And then the other one that got returned back to the sender because I forgot to put my apartment number, therefore it like the status was like failure to deliver, so I got sent back because I forgot to put my apartment number. That one was $20 and with taxes was $25. So I don't know, I've tried to communicate them, I've called them, I've emailed them, they haven't gotten back to me, so I don't know if my money's going to be refunded in regards to that or not. But I just want to let you guys know, I don't know if there's different types or it's the same thing marked at different prices. I'm not 100% sure because I didn't receive the other one. But this one did cost $14.99, and let me know down below in the comments if you guys thought it was worth the money or not. So yeah, let's start off with the first item. We have a sheet of stickers, of Fendi stickers, so some designer stickers. This is the first thing that I pulled out. Then we also have a little box of stars with the cutout stars as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up for you guys could see more up close and personal. I really like these just because I don't think I had them, and they're just gonna look super cute if you decide to encapsulate these. So I like how at least you get that. I'm not 100% sure if this glows in the dark, maybe not. So I definitely want you guys to let me know if you've already purchased this from their site or if you even think it's worth it or not. And then I'll let you know if I think it's worth it. And by the way, this nail art box specifically says that it incorporates 10 items, 10 nail art items. So for $15 plus shipping and fees, it is a total of like $19.99 or something like that. These are really pretty. Here I guess it has the $5, like this is how much it would cost if you were to like purchase it individually, I'm guessing. So yeah, this is really pretty. I don't have these type of butterflies. They're actually really unique, and I'm happy to have something new in my collection. Honestly, I don't have any of these things, but this one is just really nice because I've never seen these and I haven't seen other people show them either. So here I'm going to go ahead and just take some out so you guys could see more up close and personal what they look like. So this is what they look like. They're very pretty. And you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put some base coat on this to just show you guys what it would look like on a nail. So I'm just gonna quickly go ahead. I'll probably use this just because it was right next to me. As an example as to what it would look like. I don't want to just do it like with clear. I want to make sure I have like some sort of color on. So that is curing really fast, but I'm just gonna go ahead and individually show you really quickly. This is what it looks like. They are 3D, so I really like that. And this is what it looks like from the back. So I think this will look really pretty on a nail. And like I mentioned, they're different. So I love different. And you do get quite a variety of colors. I mostly got blue and yellow, but there's also like purple, green, and stuff like that. So that's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead, it's ready. So this is like the background that I chose, and now I'm just gonna go in and stick one on. This is what it would look like on a nail, and actually the background goes so beautifully with it all. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. I think that looks super pretty. Yep, and they're falling, so I don't know where the other one fell. Hopefully it fell in here. Oh, it's right here. Okay. But yeah, that's how it would look like on a nail. Just put this back. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Oh, next we have some more of these. So I don't know if these glow in the dark or not, but they are some neon hearts. This I'm really happy about because I don't have neon hearts, so I'm happy to have them. So here we have like some mixed ones. We have orange and green, green and like a pinkish reddish, purple and blue, and then we have the other solid colors. So that's really nice. Let me see if I could check if this glows really quickly. Just wondering, I'm curious to see if that glows. So I would have to turn on my lights, see if it glows. I'm not 100% sure. Doesn't seem to glow. Honestly, I'm not sure. I don't think so. But it was worth the try. But yeah, that is what this looks like. Ooh, so next we have these flowers, and they're really cute as well. These are different. I don't have these either, so that is nice. Ooh, I don't have these. I like definitely collecting new nail art that I don't have. So these are just some of the ones you like get, and I love how they have this type of like design on them. I believe they're actually like dead flowers. Like they're actually, I think they're like not dead, I'm sorry. They're like dried flower petals, like ripped into pieces, I believe so. So that is very, very unique and very beautiful. I really like that. Let me see if I can bring out some more colors to show you guys. I think there's more in here. Yeah, we have like pink, purple, green. That's very, very pretty. So I definitely like that. Let me see if I can put one here. So this is what it would look like on a nail. I know this doesn't match, it's actually purple, but it's like an actual bluish color. That is what that looks like. So I'm happy to have that as well. Something new. And you get a whole lot as well, so that's nice. And this would usually cost $3.50, so they do have the prices on there. So this would cost you $3.50. This would cost you $5. This would also cost you $5. It says it right there. And then what else? Let me see. So I'm gonna leave that out. This doesn't have a price, and this would cost you, I'm not 100% sure, probably the same as the other one. So Next, we have some more designer stickers. So we have the Gucci print with the Gucci logo. It doesn't say the price, so I don't know how much this would cost in their site. I don't know if I'm gonna buy another one of these just to see, like, and this time hopefully I don't forget to put my apartment number. But yeah, we have these as well. Louis Vuitton, LV, designer stickers, rainbow. So that's cute. Ooh, and then we have these Chanel ones. These are pretty. I really like these. They have like the red bottoms. Oh no, they're just heels. My bad. Okay, so yeah, we have some nice heels with Chanel logos and stuff. I like this one, the one that drips. So that's really cute. Then we have, oh, so this is actually, it says free gift, but it's part of the, I counted it, it brings 10 in total. So I was really happy that I got designer charms just because I've been on a lookout for designer charms for a really long time. I can't really seem to find them for some reason. I don't know. So if you guys know a good site where I can get like different type of designer charms, please let me know. But yeah, here we have some LV designer charms in silver, which is good because I don't really have silver charms. And then we also get some butterflies, some neon ones once again. And this would cost $5. So this is what this looks like. And I love this cutout of flowers. These are really pretty. Not flowers, I'm sorry. This butterfly cutout I really like. I don't know if you guys could see very well, but it's this type of cutout. I love that. It's so pretty. Hopefully I don't make a mess, but yeah, and I got them in neon, so that's nice. I didn't have these either. I think I did purchase like mixes on AliExpress, but I'm glad to have more colors. Honestly, guys, I was super happy when I found this because when I found this nail art mystery box or bag or whatever, I got really excited because I don't know, I feel like I love buying these type of things. Okay, and that is all that it incorporates. Here, it says nail art mystery box, so you'd go on their website and find that. And here they put 10 different nail art products, and it's $14.99 plus the taxes and shipping, $19.60. So y'all let me know if you guys think if this is worth the money or not. And let me know if you guys want me to purchase another one to see if it brings different stuff or if it brings the same. Like, let me know. I'll definitely do that. Or if you guys even like watching this like mystery box stuff, I definitely do. So let me know if y'all enjoy it too, because I want to know, obviously. But yeah, so this is everything that I got. This is everything that it included. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. Let me know down below if you guys thought it was worth it or not. I personally think that it's not bad. I mean, it is 10 items at the end of the day, so it's like you're getting each item for like less than $2. So I mean, it's not bad in my opinion, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more of this type of content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to never miss out, and subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.